Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger dairy. We'll start by selecting the best dairy components to create a truly rich and flavorful burger. You'll learn how to incorporate these ingredients directly into your patty for maximum impact. Then, we'll cover the best cooking methods to ensure a juicy, perfectly cooked burger every time. Finally, I'll share some fantastic ideas for dairy-based toppings and sauces to complete your masterpiece. To begin, select 1 pound of ground beef, ideally with an 80-20 fat ratio for optimal flavor and juiciness. For a truly dairy-infused patty, grate about 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese directly into the meat. You can also add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese to enhance moisture and richness. Remember to mix these ingredients gently with your hands, being careful not to overwork the beef, which can lead to a tough burger. Once your dairy-infused patties are formed, about 3/4 of an inch thick with a small thumbprint in the center, it's time to cook. Sear them on a preheated griddle or pan over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. In the last minute, place a slice of your favorite dairy cheese, like provolone or Swiss, on top to melt. Finally, spread a generous amount of creamy aioli or ranch dressing on toasted buns before assembling. Beyond the patty, there are many ways to elevate your dairy burger with toppings. A dollop of tangy sour cream or a spoonful of creamy Greek yogurt can add a refreshing contrast. For a bolder flavor, crumble some blue cheese directly onto the hot patty. You could also prepare a rich bechamel sauce to pour over your burger for an incredibly creamy experience. And for an ultimate indulgence, consider adding a fried egg with a perfectly runny yolk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.